What do you think of banana, buddy? Do you like banana? Where are you going? You're falling over. You'd rather eat the bib, eh? Dustin! What do you think of banana? Oh, that's yummy. And wipe his little lip, yeah.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Is that good? Do you like that? Oh, that's good banana. Can't go wrong with banana. Do you want some more? Oh, look at, you want to hold the spoon already? he's got a hold of it. I think you like it. Come here. You're chewing on the spoon, aren't you? Okay, let mommy have it. Let mommy have the spoon. Okay. Oh, you like that. Look at, you want more, huh? Want some more banana? I can't believe he's already taken the spoon. Can mommy have the spoon so I can put more in it? Let me get it off your face. He really likes it, eh? He's really got a hold of that spoon. Okay, well, mommy's got to take it out of your mouth. You're just chewing on it. Okay, Ta, give that to mommy. Dustin. Hey, some more banana. Zah! There we go. A different texture, eh? Yum, 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 yum. Is that tasty? Want some more? What's that face for? I think maybe we've had enough, huh? We had enough for now? Yeah, I think that's enough. Good job, buddy. Whoop.